Thursday morning, October the 20th. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you on the Weather on the Ones Forecast Center. There's a look during the 5 o'clock hour this morning from our Greensboro tower camera this morning. It's a quiet, cool start to the day. The temperature is at 63 at the PTI airport. Wind is calm, and we have 50s and 60s all across the region to start the day. Now we'll take a peek here at Charlotte. Pull up the Dowd YMCA camera there, looking good. 60 the temperature there during the 5 o'clock hour as this Thursday morning is beginning. All right, there's the radar over the past couple of hours. You go off to the north, we have some rain and thunderstorm activity that's really not terribly far away, relatively speaking, anywhere from the eastern Great Lakes down into the Ohio Valley and then down through the Ozarks and the southern plains, all associated with an incoming cold front. Now, ahead of that front, had another really warm day yesterday. These are the numbers from yesterday afternoon in terms of highs around the region. Cape Hatteras at 80, 89 down in Columbia, around the Triad viewing area, mid and upper 80s for highs. Very similar conditions around the Charlotte viewing area. And a number of record highs were set yesterday. These are all record high temperatures set in the Carolinas yesterday. 89 in Charlotte and Greenville, Spartanburg, 88 in Greensboro and Raleigh, even Asheville getting into record high temperature territory with the high 84. So not really feeling like fall, but there is some nice fall color to enjoy up in the mountains. Here's the photo from yesterday from Grandfather Mountain. Blue Ridge Parkway in the foreground, Grandfather Mountain in the background. Should be some fantastic fall color to enjoy this weekend up in the high country if you would like to head up that direction. Now, one more day today of really warm weather just ahead of this incoming cold front. Here are today's high temperatures across the region. And here's what we're going with for highs this afternoon. So you notice, again, a number of locations near record high temperature territory. Could see some more records set today. But tomorrow that all changes. Cold front works through. We'll have some opportunity for some rain showers as that front does indeed move through the area, but nothing overly heavy. I think we'll say a quarter to a third of an inch or less for most of the region, even lighter than a tenth of an inch in a good number of spots. But the big story is the temperature change coming. Winds kick around out of the northwest tomorrow afternoon, and that northwest wind continues through Saturday, bringing in much, much chillier air. So here's what we're going with for Saturday's highs. I think it's a struggle to make it into the low 60s in the Piedmont. Foothills might even stay in the upper 50s for highs. And no real changes to my thinking here with low temperatures Saturday night and into Sunday morning. There's what we're going with. Some of the cooler spots in the Piedmont and the foothills certainly have a good chance of getting down into the upper 30s. And then there's your Sunday highs, a little bit milder. And then some reinforcing cooler air arrives later next week. I'll show you that in just a second. Tropics, still watching this area east of the Bahamas. It is not showing any immediate signs of development right now. And it's looking a little less likely this will be able to become a classified tropical system. It's going to lift off to the north as we go through today and tomorrow and kind of head between Bermuda and the Outer Banks. Shouldn't be a terribly big deal there. Here's the upper level pattern today. This trough taking shape to the west of us on the European model that plunges in here tomorrow and ushers in that much cooler air. Here's what it looks like on the GFS model. Just ahead of the front today, so another day of near record warmth, but there's your chance. This is Friday morning and then into the early afternoon and then Friday evening, that quick hitting shower chance. And our highs in the I-85 corridor probably occurring by lunchtime or sooner with some falling temperatures and breezy conditions tomorrow afternoon. Saturday, full sunshine, but cool temperatures. Saturday night, the chilliest night with that high pressure close by. A little milder on Sunday, and then I think we're back into the 70s on Monday. But notice this next high pressure building to the north. That then moves in from the north around to the Carolinas on Tuesday. So this will be another shot of cooler air for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Let me show you what the GFS raw numbers are indicating for lows. These are lows Saturday morning, lows Sunday morning, and then with that reinforcing push of cooler air next week, it even prints out some chillier temperatures by Wednesday morning of next week. So again, that's another pretty good little reinforcing shot of cooler air due in by Tuesday and Wednesday next week. So some autumn weather here for this weekend. Everybody enjoy it. Have a great weekend, and God bless.